Hello everyone, back for exercise 4, sheet 2, which is asymmetry, not symmetry. Remember the symmetry exercise was placing a line down the center and your composition is the same on both sides, right? That's what a symmetrical um, design is all about, where there's a line drawn in the center of some composition, elevation of a building, and both sides are symmetrical. Here, asymmetry is devoid of symmetry, right? So there is no line in the middle. There is just the design that's asymmetrical or asymmetry. So you're going to, again, create this design starting from the bottom and going up. Thinking of filling the field, right, the 11 by 17 field, as much as you can, maybe a little bit more. I just did, down from here, went to the right, or to the left, and went up. Again, you're making this composition of geometries out of 4 shapes: triangles, squares, rectangles, and hexagons. And again, using the graph for guidance. Below is the graph paper, so make sure you take that down first, straight, of course, right, level, and then put this trace paper above it, neatly cut it so that it's just beyond the 17 inches. The trace paper, we know that the trace paper is 12 inches, but the graph paper is below is 11 by 17, and you're using the graph as a guide. Again, let me zoom down here and you can see that, these points that I'm picking here, they're sometimes in the midpoint of a line of the square, but always make sure that you are constructing this composition where things are making sense as far as their units. And again, asymmetrical, so you don't have to worry about this. This design is really, it's your design, so you can create pretty much anything you want, right? And yeah, this is the asymmetrical design. Now, also, you're going to render this. You're going to color this. So keep that in mind when you're creating this design. I am not going to render this design. You're going to color it. I will let you decide what you want to, or how you want to color it, which colors you want to use. I think you should stay either in a analogous family, a complementary family of colors, or a monochrome. If you do a monochrome, maybe it's a blue, and it's a light blue, dark blue, a subtle blue, different type of blue. So yeah, get creative on this, if you will, please. And let's see how it looks. This is the asymmetrical design. And place the word asymmetrical or asymmetry and your name.